Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. First things first, wish you a very happy Dasra. The Ravana inside you and outside you, inside is the ego and outside is the other things. All the negative things are gone by today, and let's see and look at things very positively. Coming straight back to the point, Nifty, Banknifty both went straight down. Major support was broken in the previous trading session. We are also going to discuss about a stock which is strong and a stock which is weak. In the previous video, we had chosen Nestle as a strong stock. You have seen it has stayed there where it started. It started here and it closed above its start. You should not be expecting a strong stock to outperform, go against the market when actually market is falling like this. Sharp fall. Okay, so Nestle was your strong stock and your weak stock was Reliance. In one of the previous videos, I told you if there is going to be a fall, okay, that fall would be led by Reliance and by by Adani Ports. Adani Ports led it, then Reliance continued the fall, friends. That's exactly what happened in the previous trading session. Let's see what's going on in Bank Nifty and Nifty first, and then we'll talk about a strong and a weak stock again. Okay friends, now if I look back, the levels are not visible even in 1 hour chart, okay, because the index or future has not traded below this area in last 3 months. So we are coming to the index chart of Bank Nifty here. So here we have the levels even prior to this area. So now we'll go to 1 hour time frame and do some analysis here. First things first, this was a major support, okay, very important support which is broken by Bank Nifty, clear. Okay, now let's go little more back, say a day chart. Okay, so here things look like this. Okay, here I would like to point out a few more things, not very clear here, but let's point it out on weekly chart first. See here in weekly chart, I'll show you a pattern. Look at this pattern, friends. First top, second top, fall. What would be your target? The target is equivalent to this line. Okay, whatever is this area, that's how much your target is. I'm just keeping it here for the sake of our reference. Okay, let me remove this double top pattern. This target is already here. Now let me show you one more thing here. Ignore this 1, 2 and 3 candles, friends. Okay, I'll draw something else here. See, this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and if you are ignoring those 3 candles, this is your right shoulder. And then if you look at it, then what we see this top to this neckline. Okay, from here our target is again coming almost the same level. Now this level is 40,800ish levels, friends, which means I'm talking about 3,500 downwards. Will this kind of target come in one day? The answer is straight no. Now going back to Fibo, what do we see in Fibo is from the recent bottom, which is here, to the top. See, it has come exactly at 23.6 levels. So there is a high possibility of it to go somewhere up here and then continue its fall. So if you look at it for tomorrow or next week in short, you might see sideways to bullish momentum here and then fall. Or if it continues to fall with this fall, then 38.2 levels is where our target is already placed with these 2 lines which I have drawn in front of you just now, friends. So that is what we see in the market right now. Long story short, it has given perfect pattern like a head and shoulder and like a double top like this, and that's where it is falling. So technically this would be your easy and correct target, but do we plan for such big targets? The answer is no. So we'll come back to our analysis on 5 minutes, wherein we'll see what can be done. See, simple thing, friends, if you consider this big rally that has come and draw a nice little Fibo here. Let's move to 5 minutes and then draw the Fibo. See, this is the rally start. So when will we go long, friends? Okay, let's not draw it from here. Let's draw it from here. There is a nice top and this area is acting like a nice resistance. That's the reason I have taken it from there. So see, when will we look for buying opportunity? We'll be looking for buying opportunity only after 61.8 levels. That's when these sellers, okay, these area, the sellers here are completely defeated. Once market comes, breaks these people, these sellers are broken, and that is when our 61.8 levels are broken, which is at 43,683. After that is only what we will buy. If you really want to buy somewhere here or here, you will buy for small targets and with half or 1/4 quantity. You will never go with full quantity until it is crossing 43,683 levels, where your sellers are completely defeated, making it very clear for buying. And I'm not looking for buying in next few days. What we are looking for? We are looking for sellers selling. When will we sell? The best place to sell right now is 50% level, friends. But will it retrace that much? I don't think so. With this kind of a fall that has happened, the possibility of retracement is very low. Even if it is coming at 38.2, I would not look for other reasons to sell. I would just look for Fibo resistance and look for sell at 38.2 levels, because our stop loss is very low, friends. What I'll also do is at this level, when I'm selling, okay, at 23.6, I would be looking for 20-30%. Here I'll be deploying about 30-40% of my capital. At this level, I'll be deploying 80-90% of my capital, friends. And if it is crossing this area and going down, then it is retracing, probably making a candle like this. Then there is a retracement like this, and then down. Here I would be putting my 100% capital to go downwards, friends. That is the way we will plan in Bank Nifty. I hope I made it very clear. Similarly, in Nifty, what are the levels? The levels are very simple, friends. From this top to bottom is what we'll draw a Fibo. 38.2 here is an important level. Why? We would see a break down like this, followed by retest at 38.2. Okay. Unlike Bank Nifty, where there was nothing at 38.2, in Nifty there is a proper breakdown, price action at 38.2. So I would be putting my 80-90% of capital here itself. When will I go for buying? I would go for buying not here also, friends, not even at 61.8, because at this level, if I am going for buying, immediately here these people are there to push it downwards. As soon as I buy, it will hit this resistance and continue downwards. So I would be looking for buying only after 78.6, when this entire sellers are defeated. That's when we will go for buying with good quantities. Until then, if I am buying, I will be buying with small quantities and looking for only these targets for a fall again. That's the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I made it very, very clear is what I feel, friends. If you're liking the analysis till now, do hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you're still not subscribed to the channel. Most important part of the video, friends, coming to the strong stock. We are strong with Nestle only. See, we would be waiting for this breakout, friends, here. Okay. Once this breakout is done, we would wait for a retracement. Breakout followed by retrace. That is when we will go for a long. At that time, this will not be our target, because this breakout is already done. Okay. We will look for this as a target. In that case, our stop loss will be very low. Reason number 2, if I am drawing a Fibo from bottom to top, okay. See, 38.2 levels is not where it is coming even now. It is taking support before the 38.2 levels. So by any chance, if there is a gap down tomorrow here, we would go enter immediately for this target first. Then at a retrace, we can enter again for the top as a target. That's what we are looking for in buy side. See, friends, weakness is what I see in Infi. The reason is simple. It has been continuously falling, just like Nifty and Bank Nifty. So even if I go back here, there are no much of levels that I can see even on a 1 hour time frame. So if I am looking at 1 hour time frame, there are levels here, here and here. So we can go ahead and create sell positions in Infi with this Fibo. How will we draw the Fibo? From the recent top, which is somewhere here, to the bottom. So with this Fibo we can sell, or at the break of the low is what we can sell for targets like 1380, 1369 and 1359. Okay, you can see it is in continuous downtrend, retracement and downtrend. Now if it retests again, that's when we will go for a short. See, downtrend, retest, downtrend, a retest and a fall. That's what we are expecting here. If in case there is an upward momentum here, that's when we can short, or at the break of this level is what we can short for a lower targets. I hope I made myself clear even in Infi. Thanks for watching, friends. Wish you a happy Dasra again and a profitable tomorrow, friends.